You are either going to go with straight legs or bent legs. Bent legs is easier. Try both. And lift your hips all the way up. See those legs go all the way. If they're bent, it'll look like this. And once you get all the way, then you can separate them. Abs, so your butt, you think butt, up, 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 up. The next thing, so right now my left hand's on the pole, my left foot has been over my right. It's going to get up here, I'm going to uncross them. The right foot is going to sweep towards the camera, towards the audience, whatever. It's gonna sweep that way, and this is gonna be our momentum driver because it's gonna help get us to the next part. Watch me first. So we're here, we go, woo, hook, regrab, woo, woo. So this is really fun. I could do this all day. We land, we slide the right arm forward, we push over, we grab the pole, and we start bringing our legs up, 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 up. The left leg's gonna hook the pole. You're gonna have to release the left arm. We'll release it and re-grab it. This right leg is going to whip around. If you just go like this, you're not gonna get the momentum to come around. So this, as it comes forward, down and around, is bringing you into a swing all the way to here. So do not forget that part. This right leg, you keep it straight and you swing it around. Keep your body low as you come all the way around.
Playing dress up in my house. I gave your girlfriend cuddling.
Grab with the left. Turn your hips up, lift your legs all the way up, so far up that they go past the pole, and then unhook to here.